front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Toolbar at the top of your keyboard. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then, after tapping on General Management, available here, you can select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Following that, just scroll down again, and this time use gray switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar to activate it. When it's blue, you can go back and check out your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!